Hey you guys, it's Shandera. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, we will be trying Caudalie's Instant Detox Mask. 2.5 ounces of this mask will run you $39. It's a bougie mask. It's like middle class bougie. I eat it up. With that being said, you guys, let's go ahead and swatch this product. So this is what the mask looks like. So that is a swatch of the mask. Let me go ahead and turn the light down. So that is what the swatch looks like. It's very, very creamy. What do you guys think? It has a beautiful lemon floral scent. It's a very light floral scent. It's really giving me like Whole Foods, natural, organic, hippie, but like bougie hippie teas. It just smells really, really beautiful. It's not strong and it's not overwhelming. It's just a really nice scent. As I'm applying this to my face, it is so cooling. Y'all know I was gonna use my hands, but I realized like I wanted to experience this mask and it's all on my lips already. And I wanted to experience this beautiful, luxurious mask with you guys. So I decided that I'm gonna use a brush. Honestly, you guys, it literally smells like you're at a spa, like at a spa day, just relaxing. Someone's rubbing your feet, your shoulders, getting rid of all that inflammation while your Caudalie mask is on. I mean, that's just the whole vibe I'm getting with it right now. Okay, you guys, so I finished applying the mask. This is what it looks like. I applied the thin layer. Look at my nose. It's already like lifting the pores, as you guys can see. I am gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. It says 15 to 10 minutes, but I couldn't find my 15-minute timer, so we're just gonna do 10 minutes. Yeah, I do want to say this. This little thing left my mask very, very streaky, so I should have just used my hands. Oh, you know, you could just use your hands so it won't be this streaky. And I will say this, as I'm fanning, this feels very, very cooling. It's like I could feel my pores getting tight while I felt a very cooling and refreshing sensation. So the mask has dried. This is what it looks like. Let me turn the light down. Can y'all see my pores? I mean, wow, just look at how they're sucking up from the clay. Oh, wow, look at this. This is literally amazing. Like, look at you guys. I mean, oh, look at my chin. Oh, wow. This is what my skin looks like after the mask. What do you guys think? Here's my chin. Here's my cheek. Here's my other cheek. What do you guys think? Let me get the mirror. We have a lot to discuss, so let's talk about it. So let me apply my Caudalie Beauty Elixir Mist. Y'all always ask me what I'm using in the videos when I'm applying a mist, and it's always Caudalie. Every time y'all ask, it's Caudalie. That's just the mist I love to apply. It's almost gone. I'm gonna have to get another bottle. I have like 4 bottles of this and they're all empty and I just collect them. I'm so lame, but I'm always applying the Beauty Elixir. I do have a review of this elixir on my channel. I just want to mention that. But this is about the Instant Detox Mask. I've been using this mask for a very long time. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know Caudalie is one of my favorite skincare brands. They are actually one of the brands that really helped with my hyperpigmentation. When I was really into clean and green skincare and makeup, Caudalie was one of the first brands I've tried, and I've always loved their skincare products. Not only does the mask help lift up the excess sebum, but it actually tightens your pores, and this mask over time will give you an amazing glow to your skin. It brightens your skin. The mask is very gentle on the skin. It's not a tight mask, and that's because they use rose clay with it. Rose clay is a very gentle kaolin clay, and it's very purifying. Unlike other masks that can be hard to rinse off your face, this mask is not. The mask doesn't dry your skin out. So once you rinse your face, most masks can be hard to come off, like they're hard as rocks. This mask is not hard as a rock. It is very easy to rinse off your face. Once your face is completely dry, you won't get any irritation on your skin at all. I live in a very dry climate, so most hard clay masks tend to dry my skin out. This one doesn't do that at all. It actually helps calm my irritation down, especially when it's very dry here. In my personal opinion, I think this mask is great for all skincare types. Even if you have very dry and sensitive skin, in my opinion, I think it will work wonderful on your skin. And like I mentioned, I live here in the desert, and this mask hasn't dried my skin out, and it doesn't leave like white patches. Normally when I use a clay mask that's just very harsh on my skin, I'll get like white irritation and patches here. This mask doesn't do that. When I've had acne, this mask has actually calmed a lot of my inflammation down with my acne. Overall, this is a really great mask, and it's like a wonderful treat for a self-care day. If you're a person who really has a day where you take time to work on your face and your whole body, I think you would really enjoy this mask. It's just a great self-care mask that actually works. With that being said, you guys, those are all my final thoughts on the Caudalie Instant Detox mask that is now popular on TikTok. You know, I just have this to say. You know, the TikTok boppers, always look at TikTok boppers. A lot of us been using this before y'all decided that now y'all want to claim it as the ones who made it pop. Technically, no. I heard of it because, you know, I was part of the clean and green beauty community. But Khloe Kardashian had did this mask on Harper's Bazaar a while back when I used to do reaction videos before I stopped doing reaction videos because, you know, no one really gets my sense of humor, you know, especially with the skincare nerds. And I just don't know why skincare nerds be over here. Y'all go watch y'all little boring scientific. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, skincare nerds, for real, because you know at the end of the day, y'all little walls of reality is just crumbling down, and then now y'all want to come over here as if I'm a sanctuary. I am not the sanctuary for y'all. With that being said, let me go before they start getting mad at me and disliking this video. With that being said, because you know everything let me just go. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.